adventures.
Assalamu alaikum and peace. We are back after that long wait for the last video, but we're flying out to Tenerife, and guess who's late?
The doctor himself. What's going on, doctor? You've given us a time of 5:30. What are we on now? 5:36. Come on, doctor, get it sorted. Can't be this slack now.
Doctor's timing's out, man. You know
It's
what?
out big time.
The problem is, who's going to give him a telling off?
Exactly. Yeah. Joynal's going to give him the telling off now.
I hope Sham's up, you know.
Yeah, definitely. Shams texted me this morning.
Has he text?
Yeah, he's texted me this morning. He's cleaning windows at aeroplane, giving him a wipe down so pilot can see where he's going.
I thought he'd be getting his beauty sleep.
He's been doing that for 6 months, including carb loading, he said on group of the day.
Oh gosh.
Come on, doctor, what time is this? I thought you said at 5:30.
You had a coffee stop.
One man, come on, 5 o'clock. Yeah, help me, he needs to be on time.
Always on time, bro.
Yeah.
We didn't say 5 o'clock, did we?
No, we said half. Press the red one. Doctor, press that blue one. Come on. GT blue Q.
It's alright.
That'll end up be missing your.
Doctor, put your key in.
Doctor's on work
Listen, your hotel
experience.
keeps
Doctor's
working.
on
Doctor's on
work experience.
Taj is here. Come on, Taj.
Where's your high vis, doctor?
Listen, this will be shovel up the climb, yeah? I'm like, showing that emergency stop.
Brian is
Emergency
broken.
stop.
You're all the same. Flooding cycles. What else?
This is supposed to be block the road.
Doctor's routes are under peer review.
Otherwise, we're doing the same roads twice. I think we should.
Not approved. Not approved.
I sent the routes out 2 weeks ago, yeah, and then on the eve of getting there, yeah, oh, we don't want to change them now.
We need to tweak them slightly to make it work. Fancy going north twice. Might go east once as well.
You'd rather go down, innit?
Down?
Yeah, but you need to go up to go down.
About 120 odd miles.
Yeah.
Return to your seats now. Alpha Captain has informed me we will be underway very short.
Altaf's pulled. Is he pulled?
Yeah, let's get the number.
He's the extended numbers.
Show's over, sorry boys.
That's Sham. Is that Ryanair? So there's an update. These guys are going to get a transfer to the hotel now. I'm waiting for Sham because he's flying into the airport and he's got a car booked.
He's flown to the wrong airport.
Only problem is he's flown into the wrong airport.
He's going to North.
Bloody hell. Kept that one quiet.
Surprise.
I said you kept that quiet.
The captain.
We just come to the supermarket to grab some supplies. Sham's doing the big shop. Sham, why are you looking at vegetables? You've never seen them before.
We're staying healthy, guys. Staying healthy. So this is for doctor.
Doctor's giving everybody a pump before we go.
Doctor's on fire, man. He's pumped everybody today.
Doctor's already sweating.
He's swelling. Yeah.
Saltish
All
already.
saltish before the ride.
He's saltish already.
Yeah, he's coming away. Look, he's putting that much power through
A
it.
bit of insulation tape will fix
Oh, no, okay. Itchy bum.
Oh, you itchy bum didn't come, did he?
Doctor, getting yeah?
Yeah, not fucking.
Let me back at his back.
Doctor, heart rate check.
22.
Don't doctor, he's riding with me, alright?
Oh, yeah, yeah.
Don't
No,
mess
yeah.
up. Go on, doctor. You promised me, man. You promised we'd ride together.
Doctor, tomorrow, big ride. Sham's the main man. You've got to keep with him.
No, I'm with you tomorrow, Pete.
You with him?
No, I'm with
He's.
you tomorrow.
I'm racing up tight there. He said he's going to go. He said I'm going easy with Sham. I said no problem.
Right, doctor, we done, yeah?
Anybody else?
Yeah.
Oh, this guy needs it.
No, I'll be alright. I'll think
Just pump the guys at the reception as well.
Say no, say no, say no, say no, say no.
Doctor's got a chance.
Yeah. Yeah, man. Okay.
Doctor, you take some photographs.
What's your problem, doctor?
I'll do some pumps.
Go on, Joe. No, you like a good photo.
What's that? Here.
That's supposed to be held.
Pumping. See, this is a proper pump.
This is.
This is Sham. Sham.
Don't disturb Sham, he's having something to eat. It is as well. Bike check ride. Doctor's activating his muscles.
I'm activating my anger. 3 hours late, man.
I thought that was going
Jet
on.
2, up yours.
Going up the hill, dropping everybody. 500 watts.
I wasn't even going out to sleep zone 1, man.
Zone 1 at 500 watts.
This is what happens when you do a booking with a me over there. Right? Proper booking. I don't.
Yeah.
Which one? Oh.
I'm on
Next time, travel with Rajay.
They said, oh yeah, your hotel's first, you have the queue, yeah, with a wicked, yeah. Anyway, I'm there on Google Maps checking out, thinking, oh, we're a kilometer away. Silly takes it right all the way down, and we're lost in the fuck.
You know, when I put this on YouTube, I have to cut it all out. That's why it takes so long. the bikes of Tenerife
You know
ride.
what? We should have asked our driver, honestly.
Let's have a look at these bikes. Intezar on the sexy Trekker. This bike was almost mine, and he changed his mind and decided to keep it. I was going to buy that off you. Yeah. Doctor's on the girls SL6 Cervelo S5 with a great big ceramic speed pulley on it. Lovely. We've got Sham's good old Venge.
Good old trusted Venge.
Zero wheels.
It's never let me down.
SL7 Specialized. My bike, best of all. Now this bike I've not seen before. Seca.
I'll try and hold the power that I know.
Is that what it is, yeah?
Chinese. Have a bit of reserve left.
Checker Chinese.
It depends.
It looks a bit like a cross between a Venge and a SL7.
Maybe 250,
And then we've got
if it's a 2-hour climb, then
Altaf's SL7. Just thought I'd fill the bikes, man.
I think it's alright. I think it's pumps, isn't it? Doctor's pumps.
Yeah, Doctor's pumps rubbish.
meal.
So
Yeah,
tomorrow's route, yes.
yeah, we're having proper
So
breakfast.
tomorrow's route, boys, listen, is 10,000 feet climbing.
Right.
Is that all?
86, 87 miles. Day 3, which is going to be Tuesday, is 100-mile ride.
120.
Or it's 120. And that's about like 13,000 feet climbing.
40,000.
Sorry, 14,000 feet
That's
climbing.
Wednesday, isn't it?
That's Tuesday.
Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesdays when me and you go to the spa. We're not going to know in 13,000 feet, right?
Yeah, I mean,
yeah.
we have a foot massage.
We're not going
Yeah,
full service. Full service, me.
Oh, it's alright, man. So you know what? We'll do a 50-mile on Tuesday, yeah, we'll do the 120 on Wednesday.
That's fine. I don't mind that.
Yeah, do the
I
50.
don't mind. If you want to swap your rides around, then do that.
You know, actually, it's a good one to do because we go to the lighthouse, man. It's supposed to be really nice, you know.
Yeah, so switch it then. Proper recover, get massage, cold pool therapy, all that.
That's on the 6th floor.
Can we please, can someone please check the Shams tires?
Here.
Yeah, just make sure,
No,
yeah.
Aki's going up.
Make sure, yeah, there's none of the rubber coming off, and we don't need to put no super glue on it. No discs are rubbing. The cranks are alright. Everything's all tight, screwed tight.
Early, wasn't it?
Yeah, disc was
It's sorted now.
I fixed it, but then it's rubbing again on the ride. Started. Have a look at it, please, doctor.
No, I don't have to look at it.
Come on, you know.
Here's a mechanic. You got a mechanic here to look at it.
Oh,
Yeah, you got your head over the star wheeler, boys, man.
I don't know him. What's he called, that guy?
David.
David. I've never ridden with David. I used to ride with the other guys.
John.
Steady Eddies.
Is that his name? Is that it?
Steady Eddies.
Steady Eddie, yeah.
Steady Eddies, man. They were the good old days.